Hello and welcome. In this video, we want to talk briefly about the ROXJX ForkJoin operator, which is the reactive extensions JavaScript ForkJoin operator. There are times whereby we might want to return multiple observables. That is, we make multiple requests to an API so as to return multiple observables. Writing the code might be difficult or might be cumbersome. But with this ForkJoin operator, it takes a list of observables and then return a single observable when all observable resolves without any errors. Now, this ForkJoin operator allows us to take a list of observables and execute them in parallel. Take, for example, we want to make a request to the Open Weather Map API using a single parameter like the longitude and latitude to get the current weather information and also the forecast weather information. Now we could do that by just creating a separate method to get the current weather information, then create another method to get the forecast weather information. But with this ForkJoin method, all we just need to do is pass the HTTP GET method with their respective endpoints. Then the ForkJoin method will execute all of this in parallel. Then if they all resolve without any errors, it's going to return a single observable. So it takes a list of observables and executes them in parallel. Now, once every observable in the list is complete, ForkJoin emits a single observable value. So for this ForkJoin method to emit this observable value, it has all of the lists in the observable has to resolve without any form of error. If one of the observable resolves with errors, then the ForkJoin operator will return error as well. Now, the single observable return contains a list of all the resolved observables. And as I said, ForkJoin only returns a complete list when all observables resolves without any errors. Now, in the example of getting the current weather information and also the forecast weather information, if the current weather information is returned, but we get an error when trying to return for the forecast weather information, then ForkJoin will return an error. It's not going to resolve the observable. So it only resolves when all the observables resolves without any form of errors. So in the next video, we are going to see how to use this ForkJoin operator